Hello and welcome to another Wealth Builders Elite video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about my Lido Finance Ethereum staking. Okay, where I am with it, where I'm going to be with it, what you can do to earn crypto in order to put more into staking, and just going to be talking about a few things which I find exciting in the space. Anyways, the first thing I want to go into is my Lido. So if I go back here, you can see that my Lido staking is 6.0788 ST ETH. That's the amount that's staking for me, and I'm earning on this every single day. Today it's at 5%. Okay, so I'm earning 5% APR, which is very, very good. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to go to the calculator, because we have a calculator here that is on the lido.fi site, and put in the amount that I have staking. So the amount that I have staking here is 6.0788, and the amount that I'm earning here is around $87.60 a month. Okay, and around $1,051 a year, and the value of my stake is around $21,025.15. Okay, and I'm earning this 5% a year, which is more than any bank's going to ever pay you. Okay, this is an amazing amount to earn for staking your Ethereum and securing the network. That's what you're doing with this. Okay, now what I like about Lido is that we are staking across various validators, not just one, but various different ones. So you can see these are the different validators we have, and there's also more as well. And it's a growing ecosystem where we're able to use the ST ETH token that we earn here. When you stake your Ethereum, you get this ST ETH token, which is pegged to the Ethereum. So this is the equivalent to the amount of Ethereum that you have inside. Okay, and we're able to use this ST ETH in different places, and that's what it shows here with the ecosystem. So if I click on view entire ecosystem, you can see here tells you explore apps and services using ST ETH. So tell you all the apps and services that you can use that ST ETH in, how to get ST ETH, so it shows you here, and how to use ST ETH here. Okay, and hold ST ETH where you can hold it. So it's all here. All the information that you need is all here. So if I go back, let's go back to the actual calculator again. Scroll down here. Just going to put that in here, 6.0788. okay, which is around $21,025.15. okay, so the price of Ethereum is about 3,469 at the moment. So we put that 3,469 in here, and the 6.078 here is the amount of coin invested here, and we're earning 5% APR, and I predict that we are going to be having increases of around 45% a year in Ethereum. Okay, just the price appreciation of Ethereum. Ethereum is actually becoming a deflationary asset since the EIP 1559. So if I just type in ether burn, see if I can actually find that. Okay, so I come here to watchtheburn.com, and it's showing you how much Ethereum is being burnt. Okay, this is all in the last hour. 236 Ethereum has been burnt. In the last day, 7,665. In the last month, over 251,000. In, overall, over 312,569 Ethereum has been burnt. Okay, and this is powerful. And if you don't know about EIP 1551, 1559, I mean, sorry, here you can learn about what it is. Okay, so what is EIP 1559? This is what is going to turn Ethereum into a deflationary asset, and it's already launched in July. Okay, so this is like a change in the fee market mechanism. Okay, so I'm not going to go into too much depth about it, but as a result of this, Ethereum is being burnt. Okay, it's being burnt, and this is going to give price rises more possibility because of the amount of Ethereum being burnt and the amount of Ethereum coming off of exchanges. Okay, so let me not go too in depth about that, but just keep in mind that Ethereum is becoming more and more valuable because more is being burnt and more is being staked and more is coming off of exchanges. Okay, so that means that the price is more likely to go up. Okay, so come out of here, I believe that the price is going to go up by 45% a year. We're looking here at this year, the price being 3469 right now. After the first year, with that 5% increase a year, including the price rise of Ethereum, I'm looking at an amount of 31,523 in my portfolio being that amount, you know, my staked ETH being that amount, 31,000 in a year. In 2 years being about 46,282. In the third year being about 66, and by the fifth year hitting over $131,000. Okay, that's powerful. This is the power of staking your crypto. Okay, staking it and taking advantage of the price rise of Ethereum as well. Okay, so let me take that amount. So where we would be in 5 years is $131,348. 131,000. Let me just use that number, 131,000. So what I'm making now is around $87.60 a month. Okay, just with that amount. So what I need is this amount to be 130,000 so that I can show you how much I would get in 5 years. Okay, so let's get that to 130,000. It's about 39, I think, 38. Yeah, so that would be 37.5. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, so the amount being 131,000 and the amount being here in year 5, 131,000. So we're looking at approximately $546 a month with my 6. This will be 6, but the only reason why I'm changing this to 37 is because I want this amount to be 131 so that I can see how much I will be getting a month with 131,000. Okay, and if we are on 5%, because there's no guarantee that we are going to be on 5%. Okay, this amount, this 5%, there's no guarantee it can go down. But if we are at 5% in the next 5 years, which I doubt it's probably going to go down, this is the amount that I will make every month, $546.20. And the yearly earnings here will be about $6,554.36. But just remember that the amount will still be the amount will not be 37.9, but it would have gone up. It would have gone up to about here, 7.76. So it will be 7.76, earning me around $546.20. Not bad at all. For 5 years. Okay, so this is a long-term play. Really, it's a long-term play. We're looking at the prices here, and Ethereum is going up. Okay, the price is going up. If we look at where it was in May 2020 last year to where it is today here, Look at the rise. You see? So I'm pretty sure that this rise is going to continue up until the next 5 years. So for me to be staking here, I can, you know, whatever I get from the earnings, I can use the earnings and make more yield, put it into other things like Celsius network if I want to, swap it for other coins, for Ethereum, swap it back for Ethereum and put it into Celsius, or put it into Curve Finance or Yearn, or any other place where I can earn more money off of my money, you know. So I'm pretty happy with my Lido. I'm earning 5% APR, and I'm hoping in the next 5 years I'll have 6 figures in Ethereum, or earlier, that is. Anyways, people, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell icon to be reminded of new videos whenever I upload them. If you're interested in knowing what I'm doing to earn crypto in order to put crypto into these protocols to earn more, because you need to earn it, otherwise you're not going to have the money to put into it, check out my 7-figure Rolodex. Okay, I'm going to leave the link in the description. You just watch this video, tell you exactly how to use this Rolodex, and then you can get my crypto for beginners training. You can get my Bitcoin business here, or my non-crypto business here, and you can check out any of the other things that I've got going on in here, which might be helpful for you in your journey online and your journey with crypto. Anyways, people, thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.